rice with ghee. And what better way to repurpose it than making an interesting fried rice recipe. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with the recipe for ginger mushroom fried rice. So we're going to be using mushrooms in this recipe, and generally people don't know how to clean mushrooms. So I'm going to show you the best way to clean them. So let's see how. Once you get the mushroom home, just remove it from the plastic bag and store it in a brown paper bag like this so that it lasts for a lot more days. Next, I'm going to add in the mushrooms in this water. Slightly scrub them to get rid of any dirt. I also rinse them in running water twice, and now I'm going to pat dry them over a napkin. And we're going to trim the stem. Get the stem out. And now we're going to start peeling this mushroom. So in this way we get rid of the skin. The mushrooms are nicely cleaned and sliced into thick slices, and now let's get cooking. In a pan, let's heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Into that, let's add in 1 tablespoon garlic finely chopped, 1.5 tablespoon ginger finely chopped. Also add in 2 green chilies finely chopped. Stir fry the aromatics for a few seconds. Next, into this, let's add in 8 to 10 French beans that are finely chopped, and also 1 carrot finely chopped. Cook these vegetables for at least a minute on high flame, and now add in the mushrooms that are sliced. Cook the mushrooms for a minute. After a minute, let's start adding all the sauces. 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Since this is a ginger fried rice, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, half a teaspoon of sugar, 6 to 7 basil leaves. Just stir them in. Give all of this a mix. Into this, add in 2.5 cups of boiled rice. Toss everything together. I just need to add in the last few ingredients, that is salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon vinegar, some spring onions with leaves. Give this rice a good mix and let it cook on high flame for a minute, and also at the end add in some crushed black pepper. Mix together, and this rice is ready to plate. An extra hint of ginger and the rich flavor and texture of the mushrooms definitely makes this fried rice extraordinary. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.